Welcome back guys, and in this video I'm going to tell you how to transfer your music files, videos from an old Android phone to MI phone. Means this is an Samsung phone and this is a MI phone. I will show you the transfer of data from this phone to MI phone. How this will be done, I'm going to tell you. If you are new to this channel, please consider to subscribe this channel if you like the video. So not wasting much of your time, first go to the Play Store and download MI Mover. I have already downloaded it on both the phone. Okay, here I am on offline. I have to be online. So now I am online and I will go and search MI Mover. I have already downloaded it. I will open it. It will ask for some permissions in this phone. Okay, now I will also open here MI Mover, open it. Okay, this is a new phone. I will select new, and this is a old phone. Old phone means I have to transfer data from this phone to this phone, so this is old. I will ask as old, allow. It will ask for some permissions. I have to give that permissions. MI Mover 3-4 permissions. Every time you will select, it will ask for some permissions. Okay, done. Old, again it is asking, give that permission. Okay, again it is asking. Then also I have to give MI Mover. Okay, and then now it is searching for new, so I will go and select new. This is an old model, is Android, because it is Samsung already installed. So now it is creating hotspot and it will be, so it has searched and now I have to select it. It is now trying to connect. It will take some time. Connected, see, it is connected. Now select the data you want to transfer, press send. Don't turn off Wi-Fi or switch. Okay, got it. Now it is transferring data. It has start sending data. 0.4%, 0.5%. See here, it is data. You can see the details, what it is: images, messages, audio, videos, third-party apps. It all will be transferred here. It is being transferred. 1.5% has been transferred. So after some time it will transfer all the data from this phone to this phone. So this is all what I wanted to tell you in this video. If you like this video, please consider to subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.